My video guide is dedicated to help you remove the online scam that claims to be related to macOS security. It also is known as Apple Security Alert Error Code 0x83D47D. The pop-up claims to be related to Apple, but it is not related to Apple. All these pop-ups are absolutely fake. You should not trust these fake alerts. And this is a fake Mac support number quoted in the pop-up, which is +1 833 690 1082. Please don't ever interact with these deceptive messages. Don't trust them. Don't call these fake Mac support numbers. There are some online hackers who stand behind these pop-ups and they try to force you into calling this fake telephone number. If you do that, your personal data may be compromised. Some hackers may try to connect to your computer remotely, and then they may try to actually infect your system even more dramatically. So don't interact with all these deceptive pop-ups, and remember that this phone number is absolutely a fake Mac support number. It is not related to macOS. We recommend you to leave this page, and instead we suggest that you consider scanning your system, your Mac computer, with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the official website combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the program. After the application gets successfully installed, start the software and begin researching your system. First of all, the program will update its anti-malware database. And of course, this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware. So after the anti-malware database is updated, click on Start Combo Scan button. The program will begin researching and investigating your system. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so there are some free features. They are disk cleaner, big files, and duplicates in the trial mode. Even these three free features will help you to considerably improve the general performance of your Mac computer. And of course, Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and eliminate all other threats which could possibly remain on your computer. Threats like adware, browser hijackers, fake system optimization tools, and other malware. So you need to wait a little bit until the scanning is completed. Then at the end of the scanning you will see the full summary of the threats which were found during the scan. You will be able to know the exact locations of these threats, and based on that information, of course, some threats can be removed manually, but we do recommend that you consider upgrading to the premium license to remove all these threats altogether and automatically. This is the best solution to keep your computer always free of threats.